Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Cadillac Escalade. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.